Imagine you're paddleboarding and an orca starts checking you out. These doctors were taking care of this lion when the lion suddenly woke up from being sedated.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Ema. Yeah, shh.
This orca ripped the rudders off this boat so that it couldn't go anywhere.
We lost both rudders.
So this is pretty crazy. Millions of fish decided to throw themselves on the beaches of the Philippines. This hippo started chasing after this tour boat.
Holy!
These birds flew in and stole all the fish he was trying to catch.